Today, we are going to the beach for a fun picnic together. This is perfect. Let us set up our beach spot right here.
Now we can build the biggest sandcastle this beach has ever seen.
Look at this castle! We made it together! The waves feel nice and cool. Do you like it? Food always tastes better when we share it together. We built, we played, and now we eat. This is a perfect day!
The sunset is beautiful, but being here with you is the best part. Thank you for spending this day with me at the beach.